For our last topic is preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and pronoun and other words in the sentence. I have first uses of preposition. Per is to place or position. For example, is, in, on, under, and between. Second is to show time. For example, is at, before, after, and during. Third is to show direction or movement. For example, is to, into, and toward. Lastly is to show cause, means, or manner. For example, is because of, by, and with. I have 4 example of sentence for preposition. First is, the cat is hiding under the table. Second, we will meet at 7 o'clock. Third, she walked into the room quietly. And lastly, the cake was baked by my mother. What is preposition here? The preposition of number 1 is under. It's a show place. Second number is at. It's a show of time of preposition. And number 3 is into. The preposition of into is direction. Number 4, lastly, is by. It shows means of preposition. After we end of our topic, the preposition act like bridge that connect words and ideas in sentences. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening to my video. Bye-bye!